In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Drive unlimited storage. Here's the truth up front. You can't actually get unlimited Google Drive storage for free anymore, and most of the unlimited tricks you see online are outdated or misleading. So instead of chasing hacks that can jeopardize your account, I'll walk you through what's really possible today and how to safely expand your storage. First, let's look at whether unlimited is still a thing. For personal Google accounts, it isn't. Every account starts with about 15 gigabytes that's shared across Drive, Gmail, and Photos. If you pay for Google One, you're buying fixed tiers. Think 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, 2 terabytes, and higher in some regions. But none of those are unlimited. Older G Suite plans that once appeared unlimited have been changed or retired, and even business offerings now rely on pooled caps rather than a true no limit. So when does it feel unlimited? There are two edge cases. The first is certain Google Workspace enterprise plans that market as much as you need. In practice, storage is pooled across users. For example, several terabytes multiplied by the number of paid seats. If a team needs more, an admin can request additional capacity, but approval isn't guaranteed, and these plans usually require multiple active users and ongoing subscription fees. It's generous, but it isn't infinite. The second case is school or employer accounts, such as Google Workspace for Education. Organizations may provide large shared allocations, sometimes on the order of 100 terabytes for the whole domain. However, the organization controls access and policies, and many schools are now introducing per-user caps. Relying on an account you don't own can also put your files at risk if access changes. So what should you do instead? Stick to legitimate, sustainable options. Upgrade your personal storage with Google One if you want the simplest, fully supported path. Use multiple accounts to spread your files when that suits your workflow, and mix in other trusted cloud providers, services like Dropbox, OneDrive, or Mega, to build a hybrid approach that matches your budget and capacity needs. Keep your library organized so you always know where critical files live. Bottom line, there's no free, unlimited Google Drive anymore. Choose an official plan, combine accounts and services if needed, and avoid shortcuts that promise the impossible. That way, your storage stays scalable, secure, and under your control. And remember, always verify current limits on Google's official pages, because policies do change over time.